Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Overwhelming. Overwhelming means very great in amount. For example, the overwhelming majority of the comments were positive. The overwhelming majority of the comments were positive. Synonyms: very large, profuse, enormous.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. There is overwhelming evidence supporting the bubble thesis. Now, repeat after me. There is overwhelming evidence supporting the bubble thesis. The second exemplar. Polls indicate an overwhelming majority of Americans support it. Now, repeat after me. Polls indicate an overwhelming majority of Americans support it. The third exemplar. That makes for an overwhelming amount of sleep deprivation. Now, repeat after me. That makes for an overwhelming amount of sleep deprivation.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.